How to transfer Google Play balance to PayPal. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can transfer your Google Play Store balance or Google Play balance to your PayPal account. Now, if you open up Play Store, you'll get an interface like this. What you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the very top right corner of your screen. You can see the profile icon and there. Now here what you want to do is tap on the very last option, help and feedback. Simply tap on help and feedback and you'll be headed into this page. Now, unfortunately, there is no any direct way to transfer your Google Play balance to PayPal, and they wouldn't allow it. Obviously, why would they allow it, isn't it? So here's what you can do in order to fix it, or how you can help yourself. Now, first thing what you want to do is here, there is no any option to transfer here on the help as well. So what you want to do is in the search help, simply type in transfer balance. Simply search in for transfer balance, and here you'll get various options. Now what you want to do is here at the bottom you can see contact us option. Simply tap on contact us option here, and here tell us what we can help with. Type in transfer balance again. Once you type in transfer balance here, what you want to do is tap on the next option that you can see at the screen. Tap on next, and here it'll give you various options. Now you can see it's asked you to choose the best description of this issue. I'll just select issue with Play balance, and then specific one, select the Google Play apps or the Play balance and gift card. I'll just select Play balance and gift card, and I'll suggest you to do so similarly, and then simply click on next. And here you can see it'll ask you for various options here, and simply tap on next step here, and you'll be able to chat or you'll be able to send an email. You can select any of these two options. I'll just select email for now here, and you'll be able to send email here. Type in your first name, your surname, your transaction ID, and select your issue here. And what you can do is submit it and wait for Play Store to help you or contact you back. So this is the way you can transfer Google Play balance to PayPal account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.